Good morning. Today I am here to present about sustainable land use management. So, here is the index in which there is some subheadings, which is introduction, definition, sustainable land use and management, principle of sustainable land use management, objectives, benefits of sustainable land use management, and at last conclusion. So, we begin with introduction. So, here land is essential for agriculture and environmental management, serving roles in greenhouse gas regulation, nutrients recycling, pollutant filtration, and water purification. Sustainable land management strives to harmonize environmental, economic, and social objectives, ensuring benefits for present and future generation while maintaining and enhancing the quality of soil, water, and air resources. As the sustainable management is self-explanatory that sustainable management is the management in which we use resources for wisely, as we have to secure it for our future generation also. So we use these resources wisely so that they could not get extinct or they could not get finished. So here is the introduction. The next is definition. The adoption of land use systems that through appropriate management practices enable land users to maximize the economic and social benefits from the land while maintaining or enhancing the ecological support functions of the land resources. So here it is talking about that we have to use land appropriately so that we can use it for better yielding of crops, and so that we can have benefit from that land, as well as we can save it for our future generations. So the next point is sustainable land use management. So how can we use land as sustainable management? So here is the subheadings or points. Land productivity and sustainability depend on interactions between resources, climate, and human activities. Amid climate change, selecting suitable land uses and implementing sustainable land management is crucial. SLM includes soil and water conservation, natural resource management, and integrated landscape management. It holistically integrates social, economical, physical, and biological aspects of productive healthy ecosystem. Contributes to sustainable rural development and maximizes resilience. So these are some points about how we can use land as sustainable management. So next is, what are the principles of sustainable management? Sustainable land management. So here are some points. Sustainable land management minimizes land degradation, rehabilitating for present and future benefits. Four keys of SLM principles are user driven and participatory approaches, integrated natural resources use at ecosystem and farming levels, multi-level and multi-stakeholder involvement. Next is targeted policy and institutional support, including incentives for local adoption and income generation. Next is some of the objectives, which are reducing land degradation in agricultural areas, boosting productivity for smallholder farmers, promoting best management practices in vulnerable, high potential regions, enhancing land tenure security through government certification projects, providing financial and technical aid to relevant ministries and local units for effective SLM projects, implementation, and coordination. So, these are some objectives why we have to use land as sustainable management project. Here are some benefits of sustainable use of land. Ecosystem services in production system, that is, it will enhance soil improvement, land and water conservation, biodiversity conservation above and below ground, reduce GHG emissions and carbon sequestration, development, climate resilient production systems, options for household food security and income. So, here is the conclusion. Leverage investments in SLM helps to manage soils for food security. Next, investments contribute multiple benefits and create opportunities for cross-focal area synergy. Soil management options managing trade-offs present challenges for demonstrating environment benefits require tools for monitoring and measuring carbon. So that's all. Thank you.